Assalamualaikum everybody, welcome to this video and like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. The channel is spoken up. Let's start the video. And here you can see the railway station of Ishwardi junction, and there is an unused train track there, and it's we are making journey by train, and from the train you can see the unused train and the rail track. It's looking so scenic, it's so beautiful when you look down from the train window, and it looks very scenic, and you can see the train is running, and there is good conveyance trail, the passenger train to city. Actually, Ishwardi railway junction is a very popular and famous place for it's well-known place for train station. It's an overbridge there, right overhead, and we are going to my home, and this is a vlog video. And here inside the train you can see my friend University of Ruppur. It's a very scenic scenery from train. It's a Ruppur Powerplant at Pakshi. It's a very well-known place nowadays in our country, Bangladesh. It's a very much looking scene here, and you're enjoying the scenery from the train. It's a village and rural areas scenic. It's a wonderful scenery here, and everything is the trees and the road and the bush are passing through the high, and you're enjoying the scene inside the train. So at the end of this video, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and share. Thank you very much.